Good day to the kind sirs and sirettes. I am back here at North Pine Dam, surprise surprise, and doing things a little bit differently today. I don't have my usual sounder, it's broken, so we at Garmin getting fixed. So I currently have a hook for Lawrence. Thank you very much Freak Sports for giving me a little loan. Yeah, have a bit of fun, smash it off the bottom, see what happens. Actually just turned the camera off, dropped the little ZX43, boom, straight on. Come on, kind sir. Phew. As you can see, nice little ZX there. Come on mate, what are you doing? Stupid little fish. Yeehaw, cowboy, little tiny boy. So hopefully you guys can see this. I'll try and block the light. Yeah. It's the ZX43, something with a little bit more weight, seeing as I'm fishing in sort of 8 to 10 meters. Just want it to get down there, stay down there. Not much wind at the moment, which is good, otherwise you'd probably use something a bit heavier, but well, it's a really nice little action on it. You can just go. That's exactly the noise it doesn't make. I've got this right on the bottom. That was very good timing, and that is a good fish. Oh, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just side hooked. Yeah, it's not a good fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. Yeah, not bad at all. So, as I was saying before I was very rudely interrupted, all I'm doing is planking it straight on the bottom, and because this little vibe it's got quite a lot of action anyway, I'm not really having to do too much with it. Just bump up and down within about a foot, maybe 2 feet at the bottom, and eventually a wee fish might have a go. Yeah. Catfish maybe. It's a catfish. Stinking catfish. 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 100%. God, I hate them. I'm barely here. Oh, has it came off? Oh my god. No. Hello. What a chunky bass. Yeah. Ha 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 ha, not bad, ah. Not big. Oh. Look at the muscles on that. God, they're chunky here. Get a few goes at it. sir? Hang on. It's a fish. Where are you, fish? Come on, fish. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Number 9. Goodness gracious, he's an heavyweight. He's going for it as well. Jeez, got some weight. He's chunky. Hello, Mr. Chunk. Big old chunker, right? Yeah. 7 to go. I don't know if there's a better weight to this guy or if I've hooked him funny. This is number 5. Angry little guys. Come on. For fuck's sake. Oh, this is a good fish. A little bit better. Nearly lost it. A beautiful slab. Nice. Well done. Only a few more to go. Only a couple more now. It's been a little while.